Finding the perfect apartment can feel like navigating a labyrinth. The sheer number of options, the variety of neighborhoods, and the different types of apartments can make the process seem daunting. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, but with the right approach, you can turn this challenge into an exciting adventure. With countless listings, varying rent prices, and the pressure of competition, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The process can be stressful, especially when you have a specific budget and a list of must-have features. But remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and the first step is to stay calm and organized. But don't despair. Finding your dream rental is an achievable goal with the right strategy and preparation. Imagine the joy and relief you'll feel when you finally find that perfect place that meets all your needs and fits within your budget. It's a moment worth striving for, and with the right mindset, you can make it happen. This comprehensive guide is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary for a successful apartment hunt. From understanding your budget to knowing what questions to ask during a viewing, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to make informed decisions. From budgeting tips to negotiation tactics, we've got you covered every step of the way. Negotiation is a crucial part of the process, and knowing how to effectively communicate your needs and concerns can make a significant difference. We'll provide you with strategies to help you get the best deal possible. The first step is understanding that finding the right apartment takes time and effort. It's not something that happens overnight, and it's important to be patient. The more time you invest in the process, the better your chances of finding a place that truly feels like home. Don't expect to find your dream rental overnight. Set realistic expectations and give yourself plenty of time to explore different options. It's a process that requires careful planning and consideration, so don't rush it. Be prepared to dedicate time to research, visit potential apartments, and weigh your options. Each apartment will have its pros and cons, and it's important to take the time to evaluate each one carefully. Make a list of your priorities and use it as a guide to help you make the best decision. It's a journey that demands patience and persistence, but the reward of finding a place you can truly call home is worth the effort. Keep pushing forward even when it feels challenging. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Remember, you're not alone in this process. There are many resources available to help you, from online forums to local workshops. Connecting with others who are going through the same experience can provide valuable support and insights. Millions of people navigate the rental market every year, and countless resources are available to help you along the way. Real estate agents, online platforms, and rental guides can provide you with the information and support you need to make informed decisions. This guide is your roadmap to success, providing valuable insights and practical advice to make your apartment search as smooth and stress-free as possible. We'll cover everything from understanding lease agreements to knowing your rights as a tenant. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets to finding your perfect rental. With the right approach and the right tools, you can turn the challenge of apartment hunting into a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Before you start browsing through enticing apartment listings, it's crucial to establish a realistic budget. Determining how much you can comfortably afford to spend on rent is essential to avoid financial strain and narrow your search to suitable options. Start by calculating your monthly income and expenses. Factor in essential costs like groceries, transportation, utilities, and existing debts. Financial experts recommend allocating no more than 30% of your gross monthly income to rent. However, this is a general guideline, and your individual circumstances may allow for a higher or lower percentage. Consider your financial goals, savings plan, and lifestyle preferences when determining a comfortable rent range. Once you have a clear understanding of your budget, you can focus your search on apartments that align with your financial parameters. Remember to factor in additional costs associated with renting, such as security deposits, application fees, and potential moving expenses. These costs can add up quickly, so it's crucial to include them in your overall budget calculations. By setting a realistic budget from the outset, you can avoid overspending and ensure a financially sustainable living situation. Choosing the right location is paramount when searching for an apartment. Your neighborhood can significantly impact your lifestyle, commute, and overall satisfaction with your living situation. Begin by identifying your priorities. Do you value proximity to work, vibrant nightlife, green spaces, or a family-friendly atmosphere? Consider what matters most to you and prioritize your search accordingly. Research different neighborhoods that align with your preferences. Explore online resources, neighborhood guides, and local forums to gather insights into the character, amenities, and safety of each area. Consider factors like commute times, access to public transportation, proximity to grocery stores, restaurants, and other essential services. It's also wise to visit potential neighborhoods at different times of day to get a feel for the atmosphere and noise levels. Remember, safety is paramount. Research crime rates, check street lighting, and consider factors like proximity to police stations or well-lit areas. Don't hesitate to ask potential landlords or property managers about security measures in place. Finding a safe and comfortable neighborhood is essential for your peace of mind and overall well-being. Section 4. Understanding market trends. Riding the rental wave. The rental market is constantly fluctuating, influenced by factors like seasonality, economic conditions, and local demand. Understanding market trends can give you a competitive edge and help you secure a favorable deal. Research average rent prices for your desired location and apartment type. Online real estate platforms and local rental websites can provide valuable insights into current market rates. Pay attention to seasonal trends. In many cities, rent prices tend to be higher during peak seasons, such as spring and summer when demand is high. Conversely, you might find better deals during the off-season, like fall or winter. If your move date is flexible, consider adjusting your timeline to capitalize on favorable market conditions. Keep an eye on local development projects or economic changes that could impact rental prices. For instance, a new office building or public transportation project in a neighborhood can lead to increased demand and higher rents. By staying informed about market trends, you can anticipate price fluctuations and make informed decisions about when and where to rent. Section 5. Evaluating apartment features, separating needs from wants. With a budget and location in mind, it's time to delve into the specifics of apartment features. Start by differentiating between your needs and wants. Needs are essential features that are non-negotiable, such as a certain number of bedrooms or bathrooms, in-unit laundry, or parking. Wants are desirable but not essential amenities, like a balcony, dishwasher, or central air conditioning. Prioritize your needs and be willing to compromise on some of your wants. For instance, if having a dedicated parking space is crucial, you might need to forego a building with a fitness center. Consider the trade-offs and determine which features are most important to you. When viewing apartments, pay close attention to the condition of the unit. Check for signs of wear and tear, water damage, pests, or any other potential red flags. Don't hesitate to ask the landlord or property manager about the age of appliances, heating and cooling systems, and any recent renovations. Remember, you're making a significant financial commitment, so it's crucial to choose an apartment that meets your needs and provides a safe and comfortable living environment.